Hey, Flawless Skin Gang, welcome back. So, today we're going to be making a basic lotion from scratch, and then we're going to turn this basic lotion into a skin lightening and hydrating body nourishing lotion. Hey, Flawless Skin Gang, welcome back to the channel. If you're just seeing my channel for the first time, hi, my name is Sele Kalio and I create skincare videos weekly, and I hope you join this family. If you're a returning subscriber, hey best friend, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a body lotion. Yes, a body lotion that is going to hydrate your skin, that has some amazing ingredients that I'm going to be explaining to you. So if you like to see more, keep on watching. So first of all, we're going to be working on our phase A, and our phase A is our water phase. So I have added my water into the bowl. Make sure you are using distilled water. If you're going to be making this for yourself, you're going to be making it in small batches, make sure you are and you don't have distilled water, make sure you use boiled and filtered water. Now I'm going to add glycerin and allantoin into the water. Now allantoin has many benefits. It helps to hydrate the skin, reduce itching. It can also help with minor injuries like scars, and also improve the texture and appearance of the skin. So we're going to be adding this here for this purpose. Now you're going to add that into your water phase, and you're going to heat that. My water is already heated, that's why you see the allantoin dissolve the way it does. But if you're using a cold water or room temperature water, make sure you put your dissolve your allantoin in a heated water, if that makes sense. So yeah, we're going to go ahead now to add our EDTA, and this product is going to help protect the integrity of this product, right? It's going to help it um with the consistency, is going to help to make sure that the pH is okay, odor. It's just going to basically help with the overall safety and integrity of this product. And it also helps to bind with calcium ions and magnesium. So basically it helps to reduce the hardness of your water. Now we're going to put that aside, and we're going to work on our gelling agent. Now for this, we are using high molecular weight hyaluronic acid. Now hyaluronic acid is a very powerful humectant ingredient. Now this type of hyaluronic acid helps to, coat the top layer of the skin to prevent water loss. And basically hyaluronic acid helps with the hydration of the skin. So it basically helps to plump the skin and give a better hydration to your product. Now to dissolve or hydrate that, we're going to be using the remaining batch or the remaining percentage of our glycerin. Now you can definitely add it into your water if you're not in a hurry, but I like to do it this way because it's easy for the substance to dissolve in water, and it doesn't give us that clumpiness that you get when you add it directly into your water. So after that, we are going to add the hyaluronic acid into the water, and this hyaluronic acid is very amazing because it doesn't only add moisture to your skin, but it also helps to block or coat the top layer of the skin to stop water from evaporating from your skin. So that's why it's a very powerful ingredient. But you can definitely go ahead and add both the high molecular weight and the lower molecular weight to get better benefits. Now we're going to go ahead and dissolve our xanthan gum, and for this I am using xanthan gum clear. Now what this is going to do in this formula is help to help the consistency, and also help to create a balance, make the product stable. It helps with the stability of this product. So this is going to help with the viscosity and also help with the stability of the product. So I'm going to be using this. Now, if you don't have xanthan gum clear, you can definitely use the regular xanthan gum, or you can use goa gum, or any other thickening agent that you have, like carboma, or any other one that you have. I like to use xanthan gum clear because it is clear, like the name says, and it is very, very hydrating as well. So with this, we're going to be using Propandiol to hydrate this product. We're going to be using Propandiol to hydrate and create a slurry, just like we did with glycerin with the hyaluronic acid. But you can definitely go ahead to use glycerin if you want to, or you can go ahead to use propylene glycol if you want to. I decided to use Propandiol because it's already in my formula. So now I'm going to go ahead and hydrate this product very well. Now, what this will help us do is make sure that there are no clumps, and make sure our thickeners have hydrated and dissolved into the water. Now, if you don't have this machine, you can definitely just use your spatula to mix it together. But because I was doing other things, I decided to be mixing this while I am doing other jobs that I was doing. So yeah, this is just some fancy this. You don't have to go through that process. So now that our first phase, which is our water phase, is done, we are going to work on our oil phase. Now, you can either have this phase as your phase A or your phase B, it doesn't matter, but make sure you separate the phases. Okay, so here I have my clean bowl, and I'm going to be adding shea butter. Now, we all know the benefits of shea butter. Shea butter is very good with hydration. It helps with it has antioxidant benefits. It also helps to add body to our product. Now, you can also use cocoa butter, mango butter, or any butter that you want, but have in mind that if you change any of the ingredients, you might not have the same end product. Okay, and now I'm adding my cetyl alcohol. Now, cetyl alcohol is acting as both an emulsifier, a thickener, and an emollient in this formula. Now, an emollient is an occlusive ingredient that forms a protective layer on the skin and prevents water loss. We're also going to be using Glyceryl stearate, which is also a thickener and an emulsifier as well. Glyceryl stearate also has a great moisturizing property because it traps moisture on the skin and prevents dehydration of the skin and damage of the skin. We're also going to be using BTMS, which is a conditioning ingredient. It has very strong conditioning property, and it also has hydrating, moisturizing properties as well. We're also going to be using Montanove 202 and Montanove 68 as our main emulsifiers. Now, these emulsifiers are so powerful. Montanove 202 has a strong thickening property, as it helps to create lotion to cream consistency that gives a matte finish. And then our Montanove 68, on the other hand, gives a rich and easy spreadability to your cream. It has it mimics the lipid bilayer of your skin, and it also helps to stabilize the motion and provides restructuring effect. and moisturizing effect to your skin as well. It is a very powerful combinations. Now you can definitely alternate these products and use other things if you wish, but for this particular product, these are the ingredients I'm using. Now I'm using caprylic triglyceride because this is a lotion, it is not a cream, hence we don't need too much oiliness. But if you want to use other kinds of oil, you are other kinds of oils, you are free to do so. But for this product, it is a lotion. I don't want a product that will leave oily residue on my skin. However, we still need that occlusive property in this product, so we're going to use a little bit of almond oil, which is not a heavy oil as well. Now if you want to use heavier oils, you are free to do so, but remember that you will not get the same end result. This is a lotion, so we're trying to create that very light feel to the product. Now, next, we're going to be using Dimethicone, and if you have been following me for a while, you know how much I love this product. It is a skin protectant, and it also helps with the spreadability of your product. It also has conditioning properties to the skin, and it helps to improve the softness and flexibility of your skin. I really love this product because of how it helps your product glide on your skin easily. We're also going to be using DL12 hexandiol, which is a great emollient and a humectant at the same time. It helps to preserve the hydration on the skin while also softening the skin. It not only do this, it also acts as a preservative to your product, and it also prevents the growth of bacteria and other microbes on your skin. Take your time to research on these ingredients as well for yourself so you can have better knowledge. Now our oil phase and our water phase has been dissolved, or rather has heated up, and we're going to use this time to create our emulsion. Now this is an oil in water emulsion that we're making, so of course we're going to be pouring the oil phase into the water phase. So we're pouring our phase B into our phase A and making sure that we scrape out everything from the container. Now I'm going to grab my emulsion blender and go ahead to create my emulsion. Now if you don't have an emulsion blender, you can definitely use your spatula, but you're going to be working very, very hard. So I'll advise that you try to get, even if it's the cheapest emulsion blender to use. So here you see that we've created our emulsion. As you can see, this emulsifier, this Montanove emulsifier, also helps to give an opaque look to your product, and I like that white, that very pastel white color that it gives. Now I'm going to go ahead to add my glycoprotein. Now glycoprotein helps to moisturize and hydrate and nourish the skin. Like I said in the beginning of this video, this is a hydrating and moisturizing skin lightening lotion. So you can take note of the ingredients that we are using here. Now go ahead and mix that thoroughly, and don't worry about the consistency. By the next morning you have a firmer consistency. Now I'm going to be mixing my Cetyl white, water soluble Cetyl white, and also we're going to be using niacinamide as well. Now these two ingredients together will help to give the lightening property that we're looking for in this product. Now if you want to learn more about skin whitening, skin lightening, and you want to get the more advanced formula of this video, then you definitely want to go ahead and send us a WhatsApp message to get all of the information to buy the advanced formula or to take any of our courses that we have available. Now we have courses for both beginners and advanced, so you can definitely go ahead to take any of our courses. Now you're going to add preservative and vitamin E to help with keeping the product safe, and also to help um, protect the product from oxidizing. Now, there are other advanced ingredients that were added to this product or to this formula, but this is a basic beginner friendly formula. So if you want the advanced formula, you would have to buy that version. Now, if you haven't subscribed to my channel up till now, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please take this time to subscribe down below. Hit the notification bell so you are notified every time I put out a new video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if it was beneficial or educative, or just basically if you got anything out of this. And please share this video to your friends and family, and I'll really appreciate that. Now I'm going to go ahead and mix everything thoroughly to make sure that all of our ingredients are thoroughly mixed in. As you can see, as the product gets cooler in temperature, the viscosity becomes thicker, right? So right now we have our cream at 40 degrees Celsius. Now, this lotion is going to help with deep hydration of your skin. It is going to help to moisturize your skin and make sure that you get an even complexion. Now, this is our finished product. As you can see, it is so beautiful. And yeah, if you like this video or you enjoyed this video, please leave your comment in the comment section. Let me know if you're going to be trying this product yourself, and if you do try it, please send me a message and I want to see what you create in the end. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I will see you in another formulation video soon. Bye.